What's up YouTube, it's your girl Raina and I'm back with another video. And in this video I'm going to be doing my take on a very wearable Valentine's Day makeup look. I did go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera like I usually do, guys. We're jumping right into the video. I'm going in with the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 3. And so for eyeshadow we are using the Morphe James Charles palette, and this is the Artistry palette. This palette has a variety of colors, and the colors I'm looking for is pink. So that is the first shade we're going in with. I'm going in with this very light pink, right above my crease. So I'm going in with this deeper pink now, directly in my crease, just to add some more depth. And I gradually add on the intensity of the color. So to clean up my lid, so I have a clean canvas for my lid shade, I'm going in with the P. Louise eyeshadow base again, and then I'm just blending out the edges of that because I really don't want it to be like a cut crease. But now I'm going in with the Amrezy eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with that shade Barb. And let me tell y'all, this pink is everything. So it's not really okay. And I'm gonna spray my brush first as well. I'm using the Beauty Bakery baking spray spray, and I'm spraying my brush with that first, only not to give it really in any type of intensity, because as y'all can see, this color is everything, but it's really so that the flakiness of the shadow just really everything adheres together and doesn't just end up flaking all over my face pretty much. So for eyeliner, I'm going in with the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. It's waterproof and it is in the shade Black. Now, I was totally freaking out because my eyeliner was not giving what it was supposed to give initially, but after I kept messing with it and trying to perfect it, it gave what it needed to give. So y'all will see me stressing. I'm like, whoo, like I got it together. So after our mini panic attack, now we're moving on to the face. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer to color correct. I'm placing that around my mouth and under my eyes. So for primer, I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Now for foundation, I'm going in with the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Macau, and the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 390. And my boyfriend bought me these little palettes off of Amazon, so I can stop using my hand as a makeup palette. So I thought that was really cute. I just had to throw that in there. That's what I use to really mix my foundations.
Won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games.
So for concealer, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 390. And I'm also going to be mixing it with the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. And I'm not too sure the shade. I do apologize. All products that I'm using will be listed down below as well.
Won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
Now to to set everything in place, I'm going in with that Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm setting under my eyes. I do also go in with the medium deep shade. I did not get a chance to show y'all those two products, but that is what I'm currently using right now. So for bronzer and contour, I'm going in with the Beauty Bakery Brownie Bar, and I'm using that middle shade and the darkest shade to really give my face back some warmth and dimension. Wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. So for blush, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill Romance palette, Rouge Romance palette, and I'm using that shade Petty Posh as my blush. It's different when I'm sitting there alone myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. For highlighter, one of my absolute faves is the Jaclyn Hill highlighter in the shade The Bomb. So as you could see, I went in a little bit too intense on my nose, and all I had to do is really just blend it out. So I really do think this highlighter is pretty versatile when it comes to stuff like that. If you use too much, you can really definitely just blend it out. So to clean up my contour, I'm going in with that Laura Mercier powder again and just making it really sharp. But for my lips, we're moving on to lips now. I'm using the Juvia's Place lip liner in Cola. And if you watch any of my videos, you know I love this lip gloss. Like, I can't get rid of it. I can't get away from it. So it's the Bare Minerals lip gloss and everything. For lashes, I'm going in with that Ayani 3D Mink lashes, and I definitely got these from the dollar store, so I would definitely check out this brand because I do think their lashes are pretty nice in my humble opinion. So now we're jumping back to the eyes. For my waterline, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild eyeliner, and I'm just going right in my waterline. Right after that, I go in with that pink shade that I went above my crease with to blend out everything. And so we have some color going on at the bottom as well, and I'm going in with that deeper pink now to just pretty much mimic everything in the crease. Now for final touches for the eyes, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. And that is it for the face, guys. I will be right back to show y'all the final look. And I'm back. So that is it. I'm going to lastly spray my face. But that is pretty much it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really do hope you enjoyed, and I hope you create this look. Thank you so much again. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on my socials. Like I mentioned earlier, everything will be listed below. Thank y'all once again, and I will be coming with more videos. Bye, y'all.
Yeah, this one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah.